three triggers can negatively affect the organization. I call them fire, flow, and future. Fire is a sudden problem that crops up within an organization. Flow is an interruption in the smooth operations of an organization. Future includes research and development, but also any effort that keeps products and services competitive and profitable. Fire, flow, and future can act independently on the organization or in any combination. Categorizing them in this way makes it a lot easier to process the information as you deal with day-to-day issues as well as long-term strategies.